Hey man, Safe Star.
What are you doing here today?
We're going to skydive.
Skydive?
Skydive, Indianapolis.com. What?
That's crazy. Why would you do that?
Why would I do that?
Yes.
Well, I was in the paratroopers way a long time ago, and
Oh,
I
awesome.
opened my big mouth and said I'd like to skydive before I exit this life, and by gosh, that's
And
what
here
I'm
you
gonna
are.
do. The
So,
kid took me up on my bet.
so it was his crazy idea, actually.
Yeah, that girl.
That one, that one. That one. Okay.
That lady right
Oh,
there.
it's all their fault.
Pretty lady right
So it's actually the women's fault, but they're not jumping.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, typical, isn't it? So who's more nervous?
I'm not nervous right now.
Really?
I'm
Strap.
in the paratroopers, but this ought to be fun.
But now you're strapped to a random stranger jumping out of that plane, falling 120 miles per hour. Not nervous.
You only live once.
Okay.
Military jumps are everything. I'm not nervous, but I'm gonna have a ball, I believe.
Okay, just in case, any last words?
It was a fun ride.
It was a fun ride. Are you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Keep on smiling and I'll see you up in the sky. Hey Pat, welcome back down to the ground.
wasn't like I imagined. That was
Right? Way better than as a paratrooper. Better than 800 feet on parachute.
Can I help you?
Right, talk to me first. Are we gonna see you again?
Nice beer? Yeah. Oh, hell.
Right, talk to me. What was the best bit?
What?
What was the best bit?
The best part?
Yes.
Maybe the world with you. It's a
Awesome.
flabbergasting feeling, you know. If you've never done it before, it's flabbergasting.
Well, thanks for shopping with
Unbelievable.
Skydive Indy. Let's take a picture with the guy who just saved your life, Greg. Get together, boys. And look at me.